सारदा ग्रुप ने राइनो रॉक सॉलिड इंसुलेशन लॉन्च किया, जो भारत का सबसे ग्रीन रॉक मिनरल वूल है। सस्टेनेबिलिटी और इनोवेशन के लिए नया उदाहरण पेश किया। राइनो भारत का सबसे ग्रीन रॉक मिनरल वूल, जिसे भारत के पहले और सबसे बड़ी इलेक्ट्रिक स्मेल्टर में बनाया गया है, बिना फॉसिल फ्यूल के इस्तेमाल के। बेहतर थर्मल और अकूस्टिक परफॉर्मेंस के लिए बनाया गया, राइनो अपने थर्मल, अकूस्टिक, आग रोकने वाले, पानी को रोकने वाले गुणों और हाई कंप्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ के साथ मॉडर्न कंस्ट्रक्शन को बदलने के लिए तैयार है। बिल्डिंग, इंडस्ट्रियल और मरीन एप्लीकेशन में कई तरह से इस्तेमाल होने वाला राइनो इंसुलेशन हर साल 45-50% तक एनर्जी बचाने का वादा करता है। मुंबई, 27 नवंबर 2025। सारदा एनर्जी एंड मिनरल्स लिमिटेड BSE 504,614 NSE SARDAEN की सब्सिडियरी सारदा मेटल्स एंड अलॉयज लिमिटेड ने आज CII के 23वें ग्रीन बिल्डिंग कांग्रेस IGBC 2025 में भारत का सबसे ग्रीन रॉक मिनरल वूल इंसुलेशन सॉल्यूशन राइनो लॉन्च किया। ये ग्रीन बिल्डिंग प्रोडक्ट्स और सस्टेनेबल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए एशिया का सबसे बड़ा सम्मेलन है, जो मुंबई के जियो वर्ल्ड कन्वेंशन सेंटर में हुआ।
Welcome everyone. Today the Sarda Group is launching its first industrial brand, Rhino Rock Solid Insulation. And with us today we have very eminent personalities. Sayami here, who's an endurance athlete as well as an actress. Mr. Chittaranjan Kaushik, who's the CEO of Tata Services Company. Mr. Manish Sarda, who is also Deputy Managing Director. Myself, Neeraj Sarda, Managing Director.
Products from our doctors about this to the audience. What are they?
So this is the first time we have brought in a breakthrough technology of producing a rock mineral wool without the use of any fossil fuels like coke and coal. I would say that this is the first technology that is available in India today to produce these kind of materials. So today's two launches that we have done, Enduro and EcoGreen. Enduro is almost 45% less carbon footprint and EcoGreen is almost 65% less carbon footprint than the products being produced through the whole earth.
Sammy, you must tell us about this new product that you are sustainable. How are these and how is this product? Is this product अच्छा है और environmental friendly?
No, I like so saying I'm extremely honored that the Sarda Group I'm associated with Rhino Insolution. We've launched Enduro today and we've launched the other product which is 65% lesser with carbon emission. And I was talking to sir about it. I did a film where I played a firefighter last year. So I spent a lot of time with firefighters. And the one thing they said is I wish we had better installation in the country. And that's exactly what we spoke about today. Is right now more in factories, but I hope this moves to residential places as well. And we give importance to installation because I have done the film. I have spent time with firefighters, and I've seen stories of how firefighters have lost their lives. People have lost their lives in fires. And the unique thing about the product is the Enduro product is 45% less with carbon emission, which is the need of the hour. Sustainability is the need of the hour. So I'm very, very proud to associate with.
Sammy, Didi, someone also said something about Delhi में जो pollution बढ़ रहा है उस बारे में आप ये भी कुछ बात करिए। कितना important है इस तरह की जो products है वो use हो और इससे carbon emissions कम हो और pollution कम हो, क्या कहना चाहिए?
सर अगर हमने ये प्रोडक्ट्स इस्तेमाल नहीं किए तो ये कॉन्फिडेंस 5-6 सालों में होना मुश्किल होगा। घर पे सब बैठेंगे एयर प्योरीफायर्स के साथ, तो अगर घर से बाहर निकलना है तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी यूज प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक दिस। इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी अंडरस्टैंड वेयर वी आर गोइंग, वेयर द AQI is going, and this is not only blaming a system, blaming somebody in particular, but taking charge yourself as citizens, planting more trees, asking questions to authorities. So I feel this is something we need to take in our own hands as well.
Thanks, sir. We also talked about the marathon that you participated in. It's a great thing. what क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, क्या कुछ प्रोफेशनल पॉइंट में आपने चल रहा है उस बारे में few things
for the endurance athlete in me, which is why I was launching Enduro, is I am doing another full marathon in Jan, the Mumbai Marathon. Hopefully with the AQI going down, I will want to run it. I'm going to be doing another Ironman. That's on my athletic front. फिल्मों के बारे में I am working with Akshay sir, Saif sir on a film that Priyan sir is directing. So I'm shooting for that currently, and I'm shooting for another film with Jan. So far that.
So what's your take on this whole event? आप कहना चाहेंगे? Yeah, the front end fender. What's your take on this event? Overall event कितना अच्छा रहा और क्या कुछ इस event से message है आपका जो?
Yep. The important thing is, look, you see this, the company has decided to launch a product which is a market-changing product. Look, the insulation itself is important to reduce the carbon footprint. Because most of the commercial building cost comes from the HVAC and the cooling and heating and all this is saved by insulation. While the insulation product now will come out with a 65% less carbon footprint, which is shows that how India is moving, is leading in the sustainability. And India is leading in. None of the global brand probably is doing what he said correctly. That's coal and it's being used for this and it's lots of carbon footprint. So this product is not only for carbon footprint reduction of India, it's probably a game changer for India and global presence of India and a message to the whole world that yes, we are also thinking and heading towards net zero and pretty faster than what world can think of. Yeah.
Sir, your final words. Please come forward.
I can only tell you that Sarda Group is in various products which are the core of the economy, like steel, ferroalloys, power, and these products are typically using coal and coke, which releases carbon emissions. We strongly believe that we have to take care of our mother nature, and one of the mottos that the Sarda Group is now having is that try to reduce their carbon footprint and carbon emissions as much as possible, and introducing Rhino is one way of telling the world that we are moving towards a greener, a better product in terms of basically conserving the nature in whatever way we can. Thank you.
Thank you so much.